This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Confirm the thermostat and place a thermometer inside to lock 35 degrees C for the fridge and -18 degrees C for the freezer. Once done, unplug and pull the unit slightly forward to inspect and clean coils and vents. This reduces compressor workload. Make sure to reorganize contents. Group frequently used items near the front so you open the door briefly. These immediate steps cut energy use by lowering on-cycle time and preventing warm air intrusion. Now refine efficiency. Inspect door seals with the paper test. Slide paper between gasket and door. It should hold firmly. If not, replace or realign the gasket so cold air stays in. Next, make sure you cool hot food on the counter first. Introducing warm items forces the compressor to run longer. Also, keep some mass inside. Water jugs or tightly packed containers act as thermal ballast, smoothing temperature swings and reducing compressor frequency. Together, these steps lower peak demand. To finish, schedule a quick weekly maintenance routine. Wipe coils, test seals, and verify temperatures. Once done, measure actual consumption with a plug-in energy meter over 7 days to see baseline kWh. This tells you if further action is needed. If you notice persistent excessive cycling, loud noises, or abnormal draw, check condenser fan and evaporator fan for obstruction and ensure vents are clear. If problems continue, make sure to contact a qualified technician rather than attempting sealed system repairs yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.